Okay, I'm back out here working on the truck, and I put this new headlights switch in last time I was out here. Checked it a few times, different times while I was out here, and I had taillights every time. Turn it on now, and I have taillights still. So apparently a switch can have issue to where if it's cool and hasn't gotten overheated, the taillights will work, but as soon as it got hot, the tail lights wouldn't work anymore. So on this particular vehicle. Anyway, glad that's fixed.